Good evening, everybody. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. You hear me keep talking about it. The American Horticultural Society's Guide to Plant Propagation. So earlier this evening, I said that I had this Rosa Canina, and it's all over the place, and I want to clone it and start weaving it into some barbed wire. Well, I don't know how to do that, so I'm going to look it up. So I looked it up earlier, and as you can see from the top of the book, I got all kinds of stuff marked in it. And that falls into this variety of roses. So I can read through, here's my non-winning lottery ticket. So I can read through all the procedures on how to do that. We start getting into grafting. We started getting into dividing suckers. Can you grow roses from seed? Yes. Takes 2 years. 2 years before they sprout. According to this book, it could be 2 years. So a lot of these things I don't have rootstock for. I don't have a way to do that. So for us, it's going to come back to cuttings. So we're going to do cuttings again. I don't have rock salt. I don't have rock salt cubes. I know that's a name brand. It's, mineral wool or rock wool. Rock salt is the name brand. I just got used to calling it that. I used to work with it a lot when I was still in trades. So rock salt. I don't have rock salt cubes. I don't know if perlite and peat moss will work for that. But according to the book, I can take the cuttings, I can fungicide them, I can root hormone, and I can put them in rock salt. And within a year, they should look something like that. So anyway, my point is, you don't have to know how to do everything, and you're probably going to fail. I have, and I will fail again, I'm sure. But you can't go wrong with having this book. We count a lot nowadays on using the internet. And what you need to understand, and most of us who are, adults understand that not everything on the internet is accurate. A lot of things get perpetrated, I used the wrong word. Perpetuated. A lot of things get perpetuated that it's incorrect information. So reference materials are a must. They really are. And the American Horticultural Society Guide to Plant Propagation is one of the most valuable manuals that we own here at the Low Cash Homestead. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night.